In addition to standard copper and fiber modules, the matrix switch series Draco Enterprise and Draco Compact accept universal I/O modules. These universal or UNI boards add USB 3 and SDI ports. They allow completely free input and output configuration using coax and fiber SFP modules. Just select the UNI board on the matrix configurator. Now you can equip your matrix with any required SFP modules using the drag and drop feature, or select the article number in the right sidebar. This helps you build the exact matrix configuration for your specific project. Thank you for watching.